I wonder.
The idea of shape-shifting between humans and animals is a common theme in mythology around the world, and Selkies are just one example of this. In Iceland, for example, there are stories of seal wives, who are women who could transform into seals and live at sea. Similarly, in Greenland and Canada, there are legends of Qualupilit, who are also shape-shifting beings that can take the form of seals. This suggests that the relationship between humans and animals and the idea of crossing boundaries between different forms of life is a universal theme that has been explored in different ways by different cultures. It also highlights the importance of the natural world and the creatures that inhabit it in human mythology and storytelling.